If you want to uninstall Google Chrome, all you have to do is go to the search bar and type control panel, and you'll see the control panel application here. So all you have to do is go to, it's either programs and features. You can select that one, or depending on your view, you might have the category, so you'll select uninstall a program. From here, all you have to do is right click onto Google Chrome, hit uninstall, and there you have it. It's going to request to delete the browsing data. I'm going to select yes. And it's going to prompt for some browser to open. So in this case, let's just open it up with Internet Explorer, and then it's going to open up this website just saying changed your mind. But if you refresh the page and you don't see the Chrome installed here, that means it's already uninstalled.